Sabihin pa nga nun sa akin eh.
Sultan, where are you going, Sultan?
Oh.
It's so blurred.
Sama niyo ako sa YouTube ah.
Radisson Blue. You're going to eat breakfast in full access.
Wake up! Be happy I am here.
I'm not happy when I'm happy.
Why you are not happy? Make happy.
I'm not happy when...
Oo, Tuto. That's that. Yes. Tanong pa sila sa akin.
Like a gazelle.
Nagtanong pa sila sa akin kagabi, anong isusuot mo? Anong suot mo? Huwag ka magsuot ng ganito ha, huwag ka magsuot ng ganyan.
Thank you, God.
Not like that, how about...
Not thank you to mommy.
I thank you also to mama. Welcome.
Say hi. Parang hindi nakakain ng pagkain ko.
Sultan, what is that? Show me.
Boiling egg.
Show me.
Boiling egg. Oh, what happened? Maybe after 2 years. We are finished to eat, but you not yet. You're not healthy? How do you know?
Sabi mo daw kasi not healthy.
Sultan, it's too hot, nak. There's for baby there, Sultan. That side, nak. There's for baby there. Yeah. Pwede.
It's very hot, Mom. Come here. Medyo malalim na to. Medyo malalim konti lang.
Sultan.
Where are you now? I forgot. It's time to go swimming time. Don't go to the deep side. That is deep now. Go in there.
I'm fine.
I cannot jump. I cannot jump to you. You know na. I told you. Help mommy, help mommy, help mommy. I think mommy don't know how to swim.
Mommy, you're lying. It's only like 2 feet old.
Wait!
madali. Uy, lumamig ka.
Paano naman yung tubig pupunta dyan sa jacuzzi?
Ha?
Hindi naman pupunta dyan, magkahiwalay naman.
The water is flowing. Flowing down, it's flowing down. Come here. Welcome to them. This way is not here. See? Come. Come here. Come, Sultan. Mommy, don't talk to me. Sultan, come here. Mama, okay. Sultan, come here with Mama.
Here, not hot. Come here, not hot.
Sultan, come here. It's also cold, that one. No, it's warm. This is warm here. Hindi mababasa?
Pasag ka. Okay lang yan. Normal lang yan.
I know you. Because I told you.
Good?
Yeah, malamig.
Hindi daw.
Malamig yan.
Ayaw niya na mainit. Ay.
Yung mag-nanay naglalaro. Ha? Ay, hindi. Okay, okay. Taga-video namin. Yan ang taga-video namin. Si Mama. Taga-video namin. Taga-video.
Ganito lang ako lagi.
Hey,
Ganito
drowning.
lang.
Be careful.
Ayun nga, bago lang yung pag-practice. Oh. Laki-laki. I will teach you.
Marunong mag-swimming, ha?
Come on guys, I will teach you how to swim.
Anong gagawin? Isa lang bibilihin mo. Pupunta ka pa doon. Ha? Ano?
Asa kang walang magsiswimming dyan? Padami yan ang padami pag nagising yung mga tao sa taas.
Nakatingin sila sa akin ng hiya ko eh.
Normal lang yan, pakialam nila.
It's like a massage therapy. Massage therapy. Beautiful swag.
I think you...
I need the beaches with the fuck. There's a massage here. There's a massage here. You want free massage here? Look.
Hindi sila makapunta dito kasi nandun kayo.
Sino ito? Free massage na.
Okay na, ako na magtuturo sa inyo lumangoy. Magkano ba? Saan ba?
No, no.
Pa-forward mo kay tita.
Kaya nga.
Eh, dapat pala pa tayo pan-tiktok mo pa. Sultan is in the deep side.
Wow!
Reach your goal.
Oh guys, I finally
Mamuta tayo.
made it. Dalawang tao siguro.
Oo, 2 tao nga sinukat ko.
Ba?
Lumulutang na sila. 2 tao. Hindi na lumulubog sila.
Mommy, so I thought you can eat down.
Ala na, lumulutang na ayaw lumubog. Hindi lumabot.
Salbabida ko eh.
Sultan.
Sultan! Sultan, how are you?
How are you?
Guys. I just made it to the deep side of the swimming pool so many times.
They cannot hear you.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay, yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Go. Wala ako mag-inang to. Binutan ako ng tubig.